Hey, welcome back to the channel. We all know the drill: wash your hands after petting a new dog, be careful with cat scratches. It's common knowledge that pets can sometimes pass germs to us. But have you ever stopped to think if it works the other way around? Can we actually make our pets sick? The answer is yes, and it even has a scientific name: reverse zoonosis. Let's dive into how this happens and what you can do to protect your furry best friends. First up, let's talk about respiratory illnesses. Just like you can catch a cold from a coworker, your dog or cat can sometimes catch your germs. The flu virus and even COVID-19 have been known to jump from humans to pets. You might notice your cat starting to sneeze a lot or having some trouble breathing after you've been sick. It's not super common, but it's definitely possible, so it's something to keep in mind when you're feeling under the weather. Next on the list are skin infections. These are a bit more direct. Things like the fungal infection ringworm, or those pesky mites that cause scabies, can be passed from your skin to your pet's fur and skin just through close contact. So, if you're dealing with a skin issue, it's a good idea to limit cuddling until it's cleared up. It's all about breaking that cycle of transmission to keep everyone in the house comfortable and itch-free. Then we have bacterial infections. Certain bacteria, like MRSA, which is a type of staph infection resistant to some antibiotics, can be transferred from people to pets. What's tricky here is that your pet might not show any symptoms at all. They can become a carrier, which means they can potentially spread the bacteria without ever looking sick themselves. This highlights just how important good hygiene is for the whole family, two-legged and four-legged. Finally, let's touch on gut bugs. Nasty stomach illnesses caused by things like salmonella or giardia can, in rare cases, be passed to our pets. This usually happens if hygiene isn't a top priority while you're sick. For instance, not washing your hands thoroughly before preparing their food. It's a small risk, but it's another reason to be extra careful when you're dealing with a tummy bug. So, what should you do if you're sick and you have pets at home? It's all about simple precautions. First, make hand washing your best friend. Wash your hands with soap and water before you touch your pets, their food, or their toys. Second, as hard as it might be, try to avoid super close contact. This means no kissing, no snuggling in bed, and maybe a little less hugging until you're feeling better. And if you notice your pet starts showing any signs of illness after you've been sick, like coughing, sneezing, or an upset stomach, don't hesitate to call your veterinarian. They can give you the best advice for your specific situation. So there you have it. We can indeed pass illnesses to our pets. But by taking a few simple, common-sense steps, we can keep our entire family, fur and all, happy and healthy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more pet care tips.